Welcome to the latest edition of Rare Diseases Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. AGC Biologics joined Orphan Therapeutics Accelerator's Orphan Clin DevNet as a manufacturing partner to support ultra-rare disease programs. The collaboration expands manufacturing capabilities for cell and gene therapies and reflects continued investment in rare disease development infrastructure and advanced therapeutic modalities. Actio Biosciences initiated the KYRON Phase 1b/2 study of ABS 1230 in children and young adults with KCNT1-related epilepsy. The company also announced that ABS 1230 was accepted into the FDA Rare Disease Evidence Principles process, supporting regulatory engagement for this precision medicine program. Repair Biotechnologies announced that the FDA granted Rare Disease Evidence Principles eligibility for REP-0003, an investigational mRNA therapy for homozygous familial hypercholesterolemia. The designation follows prior orphan drug status and may support closer collaboration with regulators during development. Angelini agreed to acquire Catalyst Pharmaceuticals in a transaction valued at approximately $4.1 billion, with closing expected in the third quarter of 2026. The acquisition expands Angelini's presence in the U.S. rare neuromuscular and neurological disease market and strengthens its commercial rare disease portfolio. Pfizer received European Commission approval for an expanded indication of HYMPAVZI, also known as marstacimab, for patients aged 12 years and older with hemophilia A or B with inhibitors. The once-weekly subcutaneous therapy broadens treatment access for eligible patients across Europe. Lundbeck announced that Japan's Ministry of Health, Labor, and Welfare granted orphan drug designation to asedebart for congenital adrenal hyperplasia and Cushing's disease. Asedebart is an investigational anti-ACTH monoclonal antibody targeting ACTH-driven endocrine disorders. Biospace reported that Tavneos, also known as avacopan, was linked to 20 reported deaths among users in Japan following launch, although causality has not been fully determined. The report highlighted ongoing safety monitoring concerns, including cases associated with vanishing bile duct syndrome and drug-induced liver injury. Sanofi released Phase 2 ElevAATe study data, showing that eftorolprin alpha achieved superiority over plasma-derived augmentation therapy in raising functional alpha-1 antitrypsin levels in patients with AATD-related emphysema. The results support continued development of the investigational therapy in rare respiratory disease. Stay ahead in rare diseases research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.